Well, this is kind of a surprise. It looks like the first choice to direct Doctor Strange 3 is to have Sam Raimi return from Multiverse of Madness. Now, I have mixed opinions on Multiverse of Madness. I think it's a really interesting and well-made movie, but I do think the plot and storyline is a little bit messy. It's very clear that Marvel didn't know exactly how well to play with having events happen on TV in addition to on the big screen, and how to actually work out that crossover. They had to deal with the schedule being shifted due to the pandemic, and Spider-Man No Way Home being moved ahead of Multiverse of Madness. The idea was originally that Multiverse of Madness would have been the launching point for Spider-Man No Way Home, but of course everything got switched around. And while Sam Raimi was a good choice to direct the movie, it seemed like he was a little restricted on how much this could have actually been his movie. As we know from behind the scenes, there was a lot of rewriting and changing of things that had to happen to fit into the MCU, but I like Raimi's visual style, and I hope he gets full, complete control of a third Doctor Strange movie. Those are just my thoughts though. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments below, and click on screen for another video.